Hey there. Today, we're going to talk about AI trust, risk, and security management, or AI TRiSM for short. Sounds like a mouthful, right? Well, don't worry. We'll break it down for you in just 3 minutes. AI TRiSM is a framework for ensuring that AI systems are ethical, transparent, and accountable. You see, AI is becoming more and more powerful and pervasive in our lives, from personal assistants to self-driving cars to facial recognition. But with great power comes great responsibility. How do we make sure that AI is not biased, malicious, or harmful? How do we protect our data, privacy, and rights from AI misuse or abuse? How do we trust AI to make the right decisions for us? That's where AI TRiSM comes in. AI TRiSM helps organizations to assess the potential risks and benefits of using AI, as well as to implement best practices and governance mechanisms to protect their data, customers, and reputation. AI TRiSM is based on 4 principles: fairness, explainability, robustness, and accountability. Let's take a look at each one. Fairness. AI should not discriminate or favor any group or individual based on irrelevant factors, such as gender, race, or age. AI should treat everyone equally and fairly and avoid any harmful or unfair outcomes. Explainability. AI should be able to explain how and why it makes decisions and what factors it considers. AI should not be a black box that we blindly trust or fear. AI should be transparent and understandable and allow us to challenge or correct its decisions if needed. Robustness. AI should be reliable and resilient and not prone to errors, failures, or attacks. AI should be able to handle uncertainty, complexity, and change and not cause any harm or damage to itself or others. Accountability. AI should be responsible and accountable for its actions and impacts, and not shift the blame or avoid the consequences. AI should be subject to oversight, regulation, and audit, and not violate any laws, rules, or ethics. By following these principles, AI TRiSM aims to build trust and confidence in AI, and to ensure that AI is used for good, not evil. AI TRiSM is not only a technical challenge, but also a social, legal, and ethical one. It requires collaboration and cooperation among various stakeholders, such as developers, users, regulators, and policymakers. It also requires constant monitoring and evaluation as AI evolves and adapts over time. So, what do you think? Do you trust AI? Do you think AI TRiSM is a good idea? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech trends. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.